Nelly's fear also extends to any loud noises or busy roads.
She's got this noise thing where it kind of freaks her out. If I'm walking her down the main road and a noisy motorbike comes past, she'll stop.
Victoria's plan is to turn Nelly's focus onto something else. Games.
One of the best games is to go find it.
Yeah.
If you see a motorbike, for example, you play the game before the motorbike gets close. So you're going to go, ready? And that. And then it's your voice is like, find it. And find it. Number 2 is the scatter feed. Noise goes, woo! Right?
Okay.
If you do see a motorbike, all of a sudden stuff rains from the sky. It's amazing.
Now for a technique Kim can use when Nelly's off lead.
Again, just another, what's that? What's that? What? Ah, ah. It's the best game for these kind of dogs.
Right.